Today now we are going to see about 4th standard English. Let us read that is Robot Expo, page number 90. Robot Expo means robot exhibition, how the robots are made and what all they are doing and what all the purpose they use the robots. Anita meets her friends and shares her experience of a robot expo. Anita meets her friends, some of her friends, and she shares her experience of a robot expo means exhibition, robot exhibition. Okay, friends, hi, you look excited. Anything special? So all the friends are asking Anita, hi, you look excited. Excited உற்சாகமாக இருக்குது. Okay, anything special? அப்புறம் ஒரு eager ஒரு சந்தோஷம். Anything as special? They are asking. Anita, yes, I went to the robot expo yesterday. I was so excited seeing all the robots. So yesterday she went to the robot exhibition and she was excited to see so many robots, different types of robots are there. So she was so excited. அப்படியே ஒரு இன்னும் இவ்வளோ இதுவாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு உற்சாகம். Okay, friends, tells us more. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அதை பற்றி நிறைய சொல்லுது. Tells us more, let us. Anita, a humanoid welcome me into the hall. Humanoid means having an appearance of a character like human. மனுஷன் மாதிரியே இருக்கும், but that's not a human. It's a machine. Okay, a humanoid means having an appearance. Humanoid, underline the spelling. Humanoid, say that is having an appearance. Having an appearance. Appearance na uruvam. So having an appearance or character. அது செய்கிற ஒவ்வொரு செயலும் கேரக்டர் அதனுடைய குணங்கள் like human. It is the machine only. This is called a humanoid. மனுஷன் மாதிரியே இருக்கும், but that is an appearance. It's a machine. And it's like a human character, like human, that is humanoid. A humanoid welcomed me into the hall. So this robot humanoid has welcomed Anita into the hall. Okay friends, what is that? A robot that looks like human. So humanoid that looks like a human. It even knew my name. I was so surprised and shocked that I stood there frozen. So as soon as that humanoid robot welcomed Anita into the hall, what she is telling, it's like a human being only, and it's even know his name. She was so surprised. Name, she was so surprised and shocked that I stood there frozen. Stunned, like a stunned statue, frozen. Eyes we can't even move their eyes and legs, no legs and hands like that. It's frozen. Frozen. She stood there like a statue. Wow, it's Prince telling. Anita, I am just getting started. A robot just looked at me and named things that I had with me. So again she is getting surprise. What surprise? A robot just looked at her and named the things. What all the things that she is having in her hand? She named those things. Amazing. It must have scanned you with its eyes. Scanned. So some of the movies you might have seen, the robot la abbe scan panni. Even in robot picture, you are saying that robot will be scanning us fully. So scanning means looking at all parts of look at all parts in order to detect na கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது. In order to detect some fault or something. Okay, so scanned and amazing. The friends are telling amazing. It must have scanned you with its eyes. Anita, the next robot danced for the songs played by the visitors. Another robot is there. They move on to the next place. There's another robot danced for the songs. The songs that robot is dancing to the visitors, by the visitors. I suddenly found a butterfly sitting on my shoulder. So suddenly she saw one butterfly is sitting on her shoulder. To my surprise, it was a robot. That butterfly also was a type of robot. There are robots of ants and fish also is there. Robots of ants and fish too. An ant robot? Wow, its friends are telling. I saw a robot cooking dishes and serving all. It served me an omelette. So, not only the ants and fishes are there, some of the robots are cooking the dishes and serving them also. And it served Anita omelette. So, Anita and the robot it served an omelette. Can you understand, children? In this page, don't we all, friends, don't we all wish for a cook robot at home? Okay, so all the works are done by the robot, even the cooking and even whatever the household work, that everything a robot has been doing. So don't we all wish for a cook? Robot at home. Anita, adding to my excitement, a robot collected and dropped an empty water bottle into the dustbin. Then it advised all of us to use dustbin. So another excitement, the excitement what is the excitement? A robot collected, one of the robot collected and dropped an empty water bottle. Empty water bottles some will drink it and they will throw it off on the road itself. We should not put like that. We have to drop it or put it in the dustbin only. So what this robot is doing? It collected and dropped an empty water bottle into the dustbin. Dustbin and empty water bottle put it. Then it advised all of us to use the dustbin, and it also advised to use the dustbin. So children, you also put any water bottle, empty water bottle or any waste things, any waste paper or anything, you just take it and throw it in the dustbin. Don't put it down even on the road or in the house, public places as well as the house also. And again she is telling, there was a robot that asked me, do you want to make a robot? So again one robot is asking, do you want to make a robot? Another robot second one, that robot is asking. I eagerly nodded my head and said, yes, but I don't know how to make it. So what Anita said, yes, I want, but I don't know how to make a robot. It replied, don't worry, I will help you. So that robot is telling that Anita, if you need a help, the Anita wants a robot, means you can make it, it's safe. But she said, I don't know how to make the robot. But what that robot replied, don't worry, I will help you. Then it said, let us make a robot that can run. So first they are going to make a robot that is going to run. So how they are making, there are 3 main parts in this robot. How many parts? 3 main parts in the robot. Okay. So they are going to make a running robot. The 3 main parts. What are the 3 main parts? First is the controller. You see, this is the control board. First one is the controller. Okay. First one is the controller. It acts as the brain. So in the controller, now this picture is say children in the book. This controller only makes act as a robot's brain. The robot's brain act as brain. Act as brain. So this controller act as a brain. And the second is the mechanical parts that will help the robot move. Mechanical parts. See the pictures in the side. Mechanical part that help the robot to move. So second is the mechanical part. This is the mechanical part that helps the robot to control or the robot to move children. Okay, first one is the controller that acts as a brain in the robot. And second one is the mechanical part, that is the fingers, everything, it will move, the mechanical will be there, mechanical parts will be there. So that helps the robots to move his hands and legs. And the third is the sensor. So third part is the sensor that will help the robot to sense walls and other things on its way so that it does not crash into this objects, any objects, okay. So this is the sensor in the robot. What will it do? The sensors will help the robot sense the walls, and other things. So any and other things, walls or any other things on the way, it will give a sense and sense walls and other things on its way so that it does not crash. So அது வந்து திடீர்னு ஒரு சவுண்ட் கொடுக்கும் so that it does not crash, போய் அங்கே முட்டிக்காது. ஓகே, so suddenly it will change its position. Suppose if the robot is going straight away and opposite side the wall is there, means suddenly the robot will sense, that is the sensor வந்து என்ன பண்ண warn பண்ண robotக்கு, so இங்கே wall இருக்குது, so you have to turn, so immediately the robot will turn. So these are the three parts of the robot. Controller act as a brain, mechanical part makes robot to move, and that one sensor to sense the walls or other things so that it does not get into the crash. All these parts work together and make the robot run. So in the all parts are together it will make, and it makes the robot run. Then I put these parts, three parts together with the robot and made a robot myself. So what Anita done, she put all the three parts together as a run the robot Sonamadri, and she made a robot herself, that is the running robot. This expo has made me really interested in robots. So idella paathadume I am very much get interested Anita in the robots. I am planning to make more robots. She wants to do the more robots. Will you all join me? She asked her friends. So we would love to. So such a simple lesson only. So learn this lesson and spelling. It's very easy and very very understandable and very excitement also. So learn this everything. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. Anita shares her experience about a dash. She shares her experience about Robot Expo. With butterfly, Anita's friend who wanted. Oh, remove the robot. Okay, now choose the correct answer. Page number 92. Anita shares her experience about dash. A is the book fair, B is the vacation, and C is the robot expo, and D is the dance program. So C, robot expo is the answer. Page number 92. Page number 92, children. In that choose is there. So you will just make a choose. Page number 92, choose is there. So first one is you tick down C, robot expo, and second one, the robot that sat on a shoulder was a butterfly, that is B. Then Anita's friends wanted a dash robot in their houses, that is C, cook. Brain of a robot is the A, controller, that is the brain of the robot. Then fifth, a robot advised her to use the dustbin. Okay. So for first one is C, and second one is B, and third one is C, fourth one is A, and fifth one is the B. Okay. Now you take page number 94. Page number 94. So in that one application form they are given for the annual day participation. Okay. So should be all the letters should be filled in the block letters. First one is the name of the students. You write down your name fully in the block letters. Each block la unga name எழுதுங்க. Then standard. Number 2 is they are asking the standard, then section and the roll number. Okay. You know everything, so you can write. Then third one, father's name. Everything you have to write in block letters. Father's name எழுதுங்க. Then mother's name. Mother's name. Then your date of birth. So date of birth everybody knows. So you just write inga the date. They are given the date and they are given the month. And here is the year. So date anything you put 14 January. January is 01 1990 like this. Whichever year is there. So this is the date. This is the month and this is the year. So your actual date of birth you can put, children, and then tick the gender, male or female. So male means boy, you put tick boy is male, female is the girl. Then tick the competition that you want to participate, dancing, singing, speech, drama, storytelling. Okay, whichever you want to participate, dance, singing, speech, drama, and make it tick. Now already participated means you put yes, no means no. Then select the practice session. At what time you want to practice, 8:30 to 9:30 or 4:30 to 5:30, whichever time you want, you just put a tick mark in this corner. And then address, number 10 is the address they had given. So you just write your address in the, that is door number, street name, street number, everything, and pin code, and your telephone number and the mobile number. And at the last year you have to put the date, which date you are submitting this form, you have to put the date, and place is you have to write Chennai, and your signature of the parent, your parent's signature, that is whatever the information you are given in the form is corrected. So that is your parent must be get the signature here. So make and fill up this. If you got a book, you can write it with your pencil and check it out everything and do it. Okay. Okay. Okay, children, so do this, and application form you can practice and write everything at home. We'll continue in the next class.